Celebrate June by Carrie Noel. This is your guidebook to celebrating June's well-known and wacky holidays. Featured days include Superman Day and Go Skateboarding Day. Happy June! Are you a selfie taker, bingo player, eagle spotter, cat hugger, skateboarder, music student, audiobook listener, or sweet tooth? Then June has something for you to celebrate. Actually, the sixth month of the year has holidays for everyone. Some of June's special days are well known and widely celebrated. Think Father's Day. Others, like Smile Power Day, are a little bizarre and missing from traditional calendars. But both the popular and wacky occasions keep June days from feeling ordinary. June days for everyone. June 20th, 21st, or 22nd, changes every year, is the first day of summer. On the first day of summer, the sun shines like on no other day. It provides extra hours of daylight across the northern hemisphere. Above the Arctic Circle, it doesn't even set. So put down your electronics and walk away from artificial light. Play or read or nap outside to bask in the warmth of natural light. Make the longest day of the year count. Smile Power Day, June 15th. Smile all throughout your day, even when you don't feel like it. Your smile can make amazing things happen. Father's Day, always the third Sunday in June. Does the dad or dad figure in your life enjoy dumb jokes? Tell him funny dad jokes to get him laughing. It says National Selfie Day, June 21st. Turn the camera on yourself and snap some selfies. Try to copy popular emoji faces with your facial expressions. June days for kids. June 12th is Superman Day. You've probably heard Superman described as faster than a speeding bullet. But do you have any idea how fast a speeding bullet is? Well, it's 1,800 miles or 2,897 kilometers per hour, or more than twice the speed of sound. Turn the pages of DC comic books to witness Superman using his speed. His heroic acts will amaze you, and his superhero style will make you want to wear a cape. June 6th is National Yo-Yo Day. Can you walk the dog? Can you rock the baby? Grab a yo-yo and try these fun tricks. National Best Friends Day is June 8th. You've Got a Friend in Me from Toy Story is a theme song and a friendship anthem. Lip sync it with your best friend. That song never gets old. National Bingo Day is June 27th. Get a group together for a game of bingo. Start with a 5-in-a-row round. Then play four corners, postage stamp, and blackout. June days for animal lovers. June 20th is American Eagle Day. The story of the bald eagle is the story of a comeback kid. Long ago, the bird rose to fame when it was picked as America's symbol. Then, a pesticide problem made it an endangered species. But today, it's sitting pretty. Keep an eagle's eye view on our nation's bird. Use webcams to watch bald eagles' nests across the country. Some nests will have growing eaglets inside. The entire month of June is National Zoo and Aquarium Month. Go to the zoo to meet a tiger. Visit an aquarium to meet an alligator. Animals like these are too unpredictable in the wild. June 8th is World Oceans Day. Did you hear about the sea turtle found with a straw stuck in its nose? Drink strawless to help stop ocean pollution. That turtle says these straws are the worst. And June 21st is World Giraffe Day. How tall are you? Well, whatever your height, you're short compared to a giraffe. The animal can grow to be 20 feet or 6 meters tall. Wow. June days for pet people. The Friday after Father's Day is Take Your Dog to Work Day. Imagine a world where dogs work day jobs. A Siberian Husky might circle your block to deliver the mail. A German Shepherd might work security at your local mall. A Labrador Retriever might wait on you at your favorite restaurant. Now expect to actually see dogs on the job. That's the Friday after Father's Day. These canines won't be earning paychecks, but they will be making themselves comfortable in office chairs. Pet Appreciation Week is the first full week in June. There are countless ways to make your pet feel special. This week, spoil your pet in a different way each day. National Hug Your Cat Day is June 4th. Most cats don't want their humans to embrace this holiday, literally. If you want to hug your cat, choose an ear hug. The third Friday in June is Ugliest Dog Day. Did you know that California holds an annual beauty contest for ugly dogs? Look online for pictures of past winners. June days for sports fanatics. June 18th is Go Fishing Day. A fisherman's tackle box is part toolbox and part toy chest. A knife and pliers are included for cutting line and removing hooks. Extra line, hooks, and sinkers are stocked too. And colorful bobbers and lures of all shapes and sizes are inside. Carry a tackle box to shoreline for fishing fun. Try the different tackle on your line and cast out. See which one makes a fish bite. The first Wednesday in June is known as Global Running Day. Tie your sneakers and take off. Race your friends around the playground or start a game of tag. International Surfing Day is the third Saturday in June. It says hang loose and have a gnarly day. Try to use rad surfer slang when chilling with your buddies. Go Skateboarding Day is June 21st. Have you ever seen a skateboarder nail a McTwist? Head to a skate park to watch skateboarders try this and other tricks. June days for music fans. June 21st is World Day of Music. There's a quote that says, "Music is what feelings sound like." And it rings true. Musicians are artists who use their emotions to compose songs. They string notes together to express themselves in an audible way. Listen to a varied playlist to experience all the feels. Let an upbeat song make you happy. Let a slow ballad make you reflective. And let a silly tune make you laugh. June 3rd is Repeat Day. June 3rd is Repeat Day. June 3rd is Repeat Day. What's one song you could listen to over and over? Put this song on repeat and belt out the lyrics again and again. Let It Go Day is June 23rd. In the Disney movie Frozen, Elsa sings about letting go. Make her famous solo your own power ballad. June 25th is Global Beatles Day. Rock and Roll's Fab Four turned a walk across London's Abbey Road into art. Pose on a sidewalk with three friends to recreate their most famous album cover. June days for foodies. The first Friday in June is National Donut Day. Dough boy. You probably know this to be the name of Pillsbury's giggling mascot. But do you know that this was also a nickname for U.S. soldiers who fought during World War I? One reason was Donut Girls, fried donuts for troops on the front line. Bite into a donut of your choice and experience a sugar rush. Then think about how donuts tasted even sweeter to soldiers. The small cakes boosted their morale. National Cheese Day is June 4th. Make your afternoon snack break cheesy. Pull apart a stick of string cheese or pour nacho cheese over a plate of tortilla chips. June 5th is National Ketchup Day. Ketchup is not just for French fries. Use the tomatoey condiment to flavor other foods you have never dipped before. And June 7th is National Chocolate Ice Cream Day. Treat yourself to a cone or dish of chocolate ice cream, but beware of getting a brain freeze if you eat it too fast.